What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to look at the importance of data for machine learning. So, data, as we know, it's a crucial element when we are performing machine learning. Okay, data is required for the machine to be able to learn. It serves as the resource from which the machine will be able to gain insights, as it is from this information that the machine learns how to make predictions. Okay, it is the resource that facilitates a machine's learning process. Now, data is considered to be the most important belonging in present times. This is because by using powerful computational methods that are available today, such as machine learning, we have the potential to uncover and manipulate the data in such specialized ways that we have the ability to predict the future and change life as we know it. So, that's all for this video, guys. This is probably the shortest video that we have up on the channel. So, yes, with that, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying till the end of the video, guys. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.